biggest benefit with this is just it starts to build tax diversification and allows you to have a bucket where the money will come out tax-free. The fourth step is maxing out your Roth IRA. As I talked about with Roth accounts, there's no tax benefit now, but it does grow tax deferred. And as long as certain requirements are met, which generally is just you don't touch the money for at least 5 years or 59 and a half. If you meet those requirements, it comes out tax free. And that's really powerful. That's really helpful when you're in retirement. The biggest gotcha with this, though, is that not everyone can contribute directly to a Roth IRA. So if you have income in these ranges and you file either single or married filing joint, and you're above, in these ranges or above, you can't fully contribute or you can't contribute at all directly to a Roth IRA. Now, there is a way around that. That's what the Backdoor Roth IRA is. I'm not going to cover that in too much depth today. And I believe I have resources on my website about Backdoor Roth IRAs and how they work and how to make sure you're doing it correctly. Basically, the Backdoor Roth is a way to get money into your Roth IRA at these contribution amounts if you're not able to contribute directly. Again, I'm not going to go through all the steps with that because it is kind of complex. And you do need to make sure that you're following that correctly. Otherwise, you'll end up with an unexpected tax bill that you do not want. Believe me, you do not want. It becomes such a huge mess. And so if you're considering a Backdoor Roth, please work with a tax professional or a financial advisor so that you know you're doing things correctly, because it's so easy to screw it up. But as I said, the biggest benefit with this is just it starts to build tax diversification and allows you to have a bucket where the money will come out tax-free, regardless of what it's used for. If we go back to the HSA quickly, the nice thing about that is as long as it's used for qualified medical expenses, it's tax-free. The Roth works, essentially the same way, but doesn't have that medical expense requirement on it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with any questions or topics that you would like to see covered. Financial planning is all about creating the life you want. Let's build it together.